Hello students, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about the syllabus which we'll be learning in semester 6th. In unit first we'll be learning about total quality management, that is TQM. In that we'll be learning the concept of quality, that is what is meant by quality, what is its definition, and what are the various types of quality. So quality is a day-to-day word which we use every time whenever we purchase any of the product. We look after its quality and its durability. So what is quality and how its meaning changes from person to person, from customer to customer. The first thing which we'll be learning in this topic is about quality, because total quality management, TQM, is the concept about quality, and it is very necessary to know first of all that what is meant by quality. Then in second part we'll be dealing with meaning of TQM and elements of TQM. In that we will learn about what is the concept of TQM, when was it propounded, how it is being used, and which are the various elements of TQM which are practiced in the business organizations. And lastly, in this topic, we'll be learning contribution of Deming and Juran. During the fifth semester, we have learned contribution of lot of management thinkers. Here, we just have two management thinkers, Edward Deming and Joseph Juran, whose contribution is very significant in modern management. Edward Deming has given 14 points. Tricks, or you can say 14 point management techniques have been uh, propounded by Edward Deming. According to him, if you practice these techniques in your organization, you'll be able to achieve total quality management. And Joseph Juran is a person who has propounded a concept of quality trilogy. So what does that concept mean, and what is the contribution of both of these management thinkers in quality management? That we'll be learning in this topic, unit number 1. Then in unit 2 we are going to deal with various quality standards. Okay, so what are the quality standards at international level which are being accepted all over the world? In that, the first one is benchmarking. Benchmarking means what? When you compare your organization with the best organization in your industry, that is called as benchmarking. So this is not kind of imitation, it is just knowing what is best, or what are the best practices practiced in the successful organizations, or those organizations who are at the top of the industry. Okay, so you can call it as a comparison, you can call it as comparison of your management practices and finding out the secret of the success of those industries. That is what is expected in benchmarking. So that is another concept which we are going to learn its definition, types of benchmarking. There are various types. Then advantages and limitation, that means merits and demerits of benchmarking. Okay, then the second quality standard which we are going to deal with is Six Sigma. Its meaning, characteristics, importance of Six Sigma. It is one of the statistical quality standard, and what are the 6 levels of Six Sigma and how to implement Six Sigma, that is steps in implementing Six Sigma. So these are the things which we'll be learning in unit number 2, along with ISO 9000 is another quality standard which we'll be learning in unit 2 itself. So International Organization for Standardization, whose headquarters is located in Geneva, Switzerland. So that concept will be learning what is ISO certification, why it is required, what is its importance in of ISO quality standard, and which are the elements of ISO 9000. Then we'll be learning about ISO 14000, its meaning and relevance. Then in unit 3 we are going to deal with time, event, and stress management. So all these three concepts will be learning in the same topic. The first one is time management. So how to manage your times and how to effectively utilize your 24 hours productively. So that will be learning meaning, definition, importance, and with what are the various techniques of time management. Then in case of event management, what is an event, what is the role of event manager, concept and its importance, why it is necessary nowadays to go for event management, then the procedure of event management, and which are the types of events. Events are of various types. Personal events consist of your marriage ceremonies, birthday parties, and then you are having organizational events like launching of a new product. So there are various types of events. To how to organize such events, why event management is an upcoming modern concept in today's world, and why people are going for this event management services. What is the role of event manager? Okay, so how creative he or she has to be whenever you're managing an event, how each and every event has to be a unique one. So that all things we'll be learning in this topic. Also we'll be learning about stress management, which is very important, because everybody's life, stress is an inevitable part. So what is stress management and the meaning of stress? What are the reason, that means causes of stress? Why do we come under stress, or why we are under pressure? What are the effects of stress? What happens when you are under stress? What are its adverse effect on your physical and mental body? That will be learning in effects of stress. And coping strategies for stress means what are the strategies, how to manage your stress. Okay, so what are the techniques at individual level, at organizational level? So all those techniques will be learning in stress management. So that will be dealing in unit 3rd. Then in Unit 4, we are going to learn about international management. What is international management and multinational corporations? So, what is the nature and purpose of international business? Why there was a need to cross the boundaries of nation, and now the global market is called as global village. So the world has come closer. International market has become the need of the hour. You have to expand your business, you have to go beyond your national boundaries. So what is the purpose of international business? That will be learning at 4.1. In 4.2, we'll be learning about multinational companies, that is, they are also called as multinational corporations, MNCs. What are their advantages and challenges in today's world? What is the role of global manager? Because the role of manager is changing day by day. When we are talking about global manager, what varied role or what sort of managerial skills are required in global manager, that will be learning. Because a global manager has to face lot of challenges in the international market. He has to be a versatile personality. He must be able to handle a diversified workforce, because he has to deal with variety of people coming from different countries, different culture, different cities. So what is his role as what is the changing role of global manager? That will be learning. And lastly, in 4.4, we'll be learning about global company, TNCs, that is transnational companies, and what is the process of import and export. Okay, so this is the fourth topic. So with this, we completed our discussion of syllabus of all the 4 units. So again, in this semester also we'll be learning quality standards and whatever modern concepts are being used in this organizational world, those will be learning. Okay, so with this, I end with today's lecture. Thank you.